Once your vehicle is at the repair shop, Endurance helps simplify the process by working directly with the facility to review the repairs and authorize covered work. In the Endurance customer portal, you can review your coverage details and easily share your contract information with your repair shop. Once the repair facility diagnoses the issue, they'll contact Endurance for authorization before starting repairs. Endurance will verify your coverage and process the claim. For higher value repairs, an inspection may be required before authorization. We'll then pay the repair shop directly for covered parts and labor. In fact, the only payment you'd be responsible for on a covered repair is your deductible, which you can pay to the repair shop when you pick up your vehicle. Be sure to keep any receipts or documentation for your records. We also recommend keeping maintenance records so you can verify the required upkeep outlined in your contract during a claim. Complex repairs may take longer for authorization, and during covered repairs, you may be eligible for a car rental reimbursement for up to 5 days. You can follow your claim status in the Endurance customer portal, and our customer service team is always here to help. With dependable protection and support when you need it most, Endurance helps you drive forward with confidence. To learn more, visit endurancewarranty.com.